Precision. Performance redefined. Auto 25. This isn't just a car, it's a challenge. A latest model Mitsubishi Pajero Sport pushed to the brink, but we see its potential. Phase 1. The deep clean. Stripping away years of grime to reveal the true extent of the work ahead. Then, the reconstruction begins. Every dent, every scratch, every spot of rust is meticulously erased, the foundation for perfection. In the booth, it's reborn. Layer by layer, the stunning metallic black finish is applied, promising a future of head-turning shine. But a true restoration is more than skin deep. The heart of the beast is rebuilt, clean, and restored to factory-fresh condition. Inside, luxury is restored. Every surface, from the seats to the dashboard, is brought back to a state of pristine comfort. New shoes for a new beginning. Premium tires and gleaming wheels, ready to conquer any terrain with style. Rust to reveal. The Mitsubishi Pajero Sport, restored to its former glory. This is the power of precision.